Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to improve audio recording quality on Honor Magic 7 Lite. Firstly, go into Google Play Store. Now tap on search bar, search, and install Dolby on app. So install this app. Now once your installation has been successful, you can open the app. So let's wait. Open. Now we can skip this for now. Not now. Now we can either start just the base audio recording or a video recording, but I will start audio recording just to show you how this app works. Of course, you need to grant the access. Okay. And start. Now I'll also finish it very quickly just to show you how this app works. So now tap on Get It and then head to the bottom left corner of your device because you will be able to find here a gallery. So let's go here, and this is the recording that I have just made. And now if this icon is colorful, it means that the audio is being played with effects of Dolby up, but if you press here and this icon turns gray, it means that the audio is going to be played raw, just for the comparison. And that is going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have more questions, let us know in the comments.